Hello, friends, welcome to another episode of Terrariums and Tales. So, today I will be redoing this terrarium because here in Tokyo the winters have extended and my succulents are growing leggy. So, I decided to redo my terrarium. Honestly, redoing an old terrarium feels like healing in slow motion. Don't give up on your plans too soon. They are stronger than they look. So, slowly and patiently, you can remove the stones as I did, and then start removing the plants gently. See, the roots are fine. The succulents are very hardy plants, so you should not give up on that. You can just remove the bad leaves, and if you feel that the stems have become too leggy means if there is a lot of gap between the leaves of the succulent. So then you can try cutting some part of the stem and then reuse it. So slowly and gently remove all your plants. This is ruby necklace. This is also a very hardy plant. You can always grow it from its cutting, or even a single leaf will grow into a new plant. Removing half of the soil, to this I will add new soil. In the soil I am putting some moss. These are live moss which I picked up from the roadside. So you can always add it to the soil and use it for your terrariums. Add it to the planter. Don't add too much in the beginning because, as I say, you can always put the plant and then you can always add up more to the planter. I'm taking a succulent which does not have roots, removing the down leaves. And since the stem is too long, I'm cutting it a bit because my planter is not very deep. Ideally, you should callus these stems, but since I have idea, so I can manage it without callousing as well. Try not to water it for a long time, and then it will get roots. So one by one I will set up the succulents. Take time to make your terrarium. Let it be therapeutic. Try to remove all the bad leaves, all the dried leaves. See, this also looks long, the stem, right? So I am removing some part of the stem with root. So it's absolutely fine, don't worry about it. Who says you need fancy pots to build a beautiful garden? I mostly use kitchen items and old crockeries to create my terrariums. That forgotten cup, pickle jar, or serving bowl. It can become a tiny world full of life. For me, it's not just gardening, it's about giving new life to things we already have. Turning everyday objects into something magical. Subscribe and follow for more real plant journeys, especially the terrarium journeys and simple garden ideas. Finally, I am adding up the ruby necklace. I like adding something hanging to my terrariums or some of my planters as well. In general, it gives a nice look, and these are very easy to grow. Make sure your plants are intact from all the sides. Once done with putting up the plants, water it gently. As I said, succulents are not water loving, so just water them a bit. Just the roots. Try to water only the base because they are not water loving. Each leaf of succulent already has a lot of sap in it, a lot of water in it. So underwatering is fine for succulents, but overwatering is not good. Next, after watering, try to set up or say decorate it with stones, miniatures, whatever ideas you have on mind. You can just put it across in your terrarium. So instead of throwing this terrarium away, I chose to start again. Refresh the soil, added new life and a little love. Because sometimes all something needs is a second chance. And honestly, redoing an old terrarium feels like healing in slow motion. Don't give up on your plants too soon. They are stronger than they look. And this is the final look. Let me know how do you find it. Try doing it for yourself also.